So girls, we will continue the same part, that was methods of preparations of alcohol. Till now we have discussed the methods of preparation of alcohols from alkyl halides as well as from alkenes. Now we will discuss the preparation methods from the carbonyl compounds. As all of us know that the carbonyl compounds are those compounds which are having the presence of C double bond O group in them, they are called as the carbonyl compounds. So from those carbonyl compounds we are going to prepare the alcohols. That means that the C double bond O group is to be converted into CHOH group. So here we are seeing that formation of alcohol it will be done. So the methods of preparations of the alcohols from the carbonyl compound. Here we have said that the carbonyl compounds can be converted into alcohols by three different ways. The first one by reduction of the aldehydes and ketones by using hydrogen gas or by use of the another reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride. The second way to convert the carboxylic acids into alcohols by the use of again same reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride, and the third way to convert the aldehydes and ketones by the use of Grignard's reagent, where in all those methods we are able to prepare the different type of the alcohols. So we will see them one by one. Here I have made one chart where the substrate, reagent and the products they have been shown, and we will discuss them one by one. In the last lecture also we have discussed the first method of preparation, that is conversion of aldehydes and ketones into alcohols. Here we have said that the aldehydes which have the general formula RCHO. So aldehydes which are having the general formula RCHO, it can be shown like this RCHO. Here this aldehyde on catalytic reduction by use of the hydrogen gas in presence of nickel or palladium get converted into RCH2OH. So this may be considered as the addition type of reaction where this pi bond is going to break, and we are seeing that to the free valency of carbon and oxygen, hydrogens they get added and we are getting the product RCH2OH. So here we can take the example of any aldehyde instead of R. Suppose we are having CH3 here, the aldehyde it will be CH3CHO, which is called as acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde it get converted into product CH3CH2OH, which will be called as ethyl alcohol. So this is the method of preparation of the alcohols, where we are saying that an aldehyde get converted into primary alcohol. Now, if we are taking the example of the secondary alcohols, then we take the starting compound ketones. Ketones, they have a general formula R C double bond O R. So the two R alkyl groups, they may be same or they may be different. If it is different, it will be indicated as R C double bond O R dash. Here again the reduction will be carried out by the use of the hydrogen gas, which is called as catalytic reduction, or we are using the another more powerful reducing agent which is called as lithium aluminum hydride. This LiAlH4 it is commonly chosen in those reactions because sometimes if this R part it is there having carbon carbon double bond, then it remains intact. हा R part ज्यात कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड असेल तर तो इंटॅक्ट राहतो आणि फक्त रिॲक्शन होते कार्बोनाइल ग्रुपवरती, म्हणजे सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ वरती. मग ह्या दोन्हीपैकी कुठलाही एखादा रिएजंट घेऊन आपण रिॲक्शन लिहू शकतो. Ketones on reduction get converted into secondary alcohol. Here again the same way reaction will be taking place. The pi bond is going to break, and we are seeing that to the free valency of, now valency of carbon is free, as well as here R dash, and the valency of this oxygen is also free, where we are saying that hydrogens get added and we get R C H O H R dash, that is the secondary alcohol. हे एक्झाम्पल असणार आहे सेकंडरी अल्कोहोलचं. मग आता ह्याचं सिम्पलेस्ट एखादं एक्झाम्पल जर आपल्याला घ्यायचं असेल तर इथे मी एक्झाम्पल घेते कीटोन, that is acetone. So acetone, it is having the formula CH3C double bond O CH3, acetone. If this acetone undergoes reduction, it will get converted into CH3 CHOH CH3. So what is the name of this alcohol? As it is containing how many carbon atom? 3 carbon atom. It is propanol, but as the OH group is present on the second carbon atom, it will be propane to OL. So this is formation of the secondary alcohol. So primary alcohols are obtained from aldehydes, whereas secondary alcohols are obtained from the ketone. Now we will see the next method of preparation, that is from carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acids, they have the general formula RCOOH. RCOOH, it will be indicated like this, RC double bond OOH. So carboxylic acids, if they have been reduced, then they get converted into alcohols. The reducing agent is again LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride. The reaction takes place in the presence of H plus, so I have written that H3O plus, and in this reaction we are getting the primary alcohol, that is RCH2OH. So what happens in this reaction? In this case, now this total oxygen, it get detached, and instead of oxygen here we have addition of 2 hydrogen atoms, and the product, it is RCH2OH. So formation of the primary alcohol. For this case, we will take the example of the acid, which is acetic acid. So acetic acid, it is having the formula CH3C double bond OH. So in this case, acetic acid on reduction by using lithium aluminum hydride get converted into CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol. And in this case, if we have to see the byproduct, then again some hydrogens, they may get converted into water molecules. So here we have said that the carboxylic acids can be converted into primary alcohols. But this is not the only one method to convert the carboxylic acid into primary alcohol. By some other alternative ways also, the carboxylic acids can be converted into alcohols. This is a two-step process. In this reaction, the carboxylic acid is first treated with an alcohol. So here we have taken the example RCOOH. This is the example of one carboxylic acid is treated with R-OH, that is an alcohol, in presence of H plus, where in the first step we are getting an ester, RCOOR. This RCOOR, it is called as ester, and ester is considered as the alkyl derivative of acid. So here the H of acid, here it was H, and this H of acid is replaced by R. So this is ester, RCOOR dash. So in this case we are getting the ester in the first step. Now in the second step, whatever the ester has been formed, it undergoes reduction by the same way, use of hydrogen gas in presence of nickel or palladium. In this case, this ester RCOOR get converted into RCH2OH, and here again we are getting the R-OH, that is whatever the alcohol we have used in the first step, that is regenerated. So for this purpose we will take the simple example. For carboxylic acid we will take the example of acetic acid. So I will take the example of acetic acid CH3COOH. Due to the board problem I am not able to write down, so I will write here COOH. CH3COOH. We will cut this. Okay. Now this is treated with an alcohol. Suppose we are taking the example of C2H5OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Acetic acid on reaction with ethyl alcohol. In the first step it get converted into ester. So what is the formula for that ester? It will be CH3COOC2H5. This is ethyl acetate. Ester is formed ethyl acetate and we are getting H2O. So here H and here OH, that is byproduct. In the next step, when it undergoes the reduction process, we say that in this particular reaction we are getting CH3CH2OH. Here complete this O get detached and we are getting CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol, and again whatever ethyl alcohol was there, it is regenerated. So two molecules of ethyl alcohol are formed. The first one it is the product and the second one it may be considered as the regenerated alcohol. So same alcohol is regenerated. This was about the conversion of carboxylic acid into primary alcohol through formation of the ester. So the two-way of converting carboxylic acid into ester. Now we will see the next method of preparation, that is use of Grignard's reagent. Here an aldehyde or ketone, it can be converted into alcohol by use of Grignard's reagent. This is a very useful method of preparation because by this method we are able to prepare all three types of alcohols, that is primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. For that purpose, we are first taking the example of an aldehyde, formaldehyde. So formaldehyde, it is having formula HCHO. So HCHO, this is known as methanol or formaldehyde. It is having reaction with RMgX, that is Grignard's reagent. Here we will take the example of RMgX, CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. So the reaction of the aldehyde with methyl magnesium bromide, this is a two-step reaction where always the reaction takes place in presence of dry ether. So on arrow we will write dry ether. So what will happen? Always the Grignard's reagent, they are going to react in a way where first we are saying that R part and MgBr part it gets separated. एका बाजूला R आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला MgBr. The reaction is always taking place across the carbonyl group where the carbon oxygen double bond is going to break. To the free valency of oxygen, this Mgx part, that is MgBr part will be attached, and to the free valency of carbon, this R part get attached. So we will get the product H, intermediate product HCH, then O, Mg, Br, and to the free valency of carbon here CH3. So this is the intermediate product. As the board is very small, I am not able to write it down, but still I am trying. You can practice in your notebooks. So here HCH, CH3O, MgBr. This is the intermediate product which on hydrolysis get converted into main product. So hydrolysis, that will be the next step, addition of water molecule. How the addition of water molecule is going to take place? Here the OMg bond is going to break. OMg. Oh my god. Okay. and in this bond breaking, to the free valency of oxygen H get added and to the free valency of magnesium OH get added. Now what is the product? You can see in this particular reaction we have got the product HCHCH3OH. So this is CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol plus MgBrOH. So formation of ethyl alcohol and MgBrOH takes place. This ethyl alcohol is the example of primary alcohol. So we are saying that if we are taking the example of formaldehyde and any Grignard's reagent, we will get the primary alcohols. Okay. Now, if we will take example of any aldehyde other than formaldehyde, then we get the secondary alcohol. How? That we will see. Instead of formaldehyde, now we will take the example of acetaldehyde. So you know the formula of acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. On reaction with, now we will take the example of C2H5MgBr, ethyl magnesium bromide. So in the first step, we will get the intermediate product CH3C. I will write H here. Then to the free valency of carbon, here C2H5 group get attached and here OMgBr. This is our intermediate product. Getting it? As the board is very small, I am not able to write down it properly. Now the next step, I am going to show it in the bracket as it is the intermediate step, unstable step. Now break OMg bond. To the free valency of oxygen H get attached and to the free valency of magnesium OH get attached. What is the product? C2H5CHOHCH3. So this C2H5CHOHCH3, it is the example of secondary alcohol. What is the name of this alcohol? Are you able to tell me? C2H5 CHOHCH3. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is butanol. So butane to OL. This is the secondary alcohol. Now, if we have to prepare the tertiary alcohol, we are taking the example of the ketone. Ketones, they have the general formula RC double bond OR. So RCOOR plus RMgX. In this case, what we will get? RC here, R, then to oxygen MgX part get attached and here one more R. So how the bond breaking? OMg bond is going to break. Here we will have H and here we will have OH. Now what is the product formed in this particular reaction? R3COH. This is tertiary alcohol. Suppose we are taking all the R methyl groups. So methyl, 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 COH, that will be tert butyl alcohol. So here we will take the example of acetone having the formula CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus CH3MgCl. Then in this case we will get CH3 CH3 CH3, that is CH3 thrice COH and MgClOH, that is the byproduct magnesium chloride hydroxide. In this case tertiary alcohol is obtained. So we have to keep this thing in mind. Grignard's reagents are very important type of the reagents which are able to prepare all three different types of the alcohols, primary, secondary as well as tertiary alcohols. This is a nucleophilic addition of Grignard's reagent which is passing through formation of the intermediate magnesium complex which on hydrolysis gives the corresponding alcohol, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Many a times for 3 marks a question will be asked, how will you prepare the different type of the alcohols they will be given. The first one, suppose we are saying that methyl alcohol, then the next one isopropyl alcohol, or we may have the different type of the tert butyl alcohol. मग अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला अल्कोहल्स कार्बोनाइल कंपाऊंड पासून ऑप्टेन करता येतात, ज्यात आपण 3 वेगवेगळे वेज बघितलेत. अल्डेहाइड आणि कीटोनचं रिडक्शन करून अल्कोहोल ऑप्टेन करता येतात, कार्बॉक्झिलिक ॲसिडचं रिडक्शन करून अल्कोहोल ऑप्टेन करता येतात, किंवा अल्डेहाइड आणि कीटोनची ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंट सोबत रिॲक्शन करून सुद्धा अल्कोहोल ऑप्टेन करता येतात. सो दीज वेअर सम ऑफ द मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन्स ऑफ द alcohols. So here we have completed the methods of preparations of alcohols.